Exciting news for Tesla enthusiasts. At 3:46 a.m. this morning, Tesla tweeted a photo of its first Cybertruck built at Giga Tx, signaling that the long-awaited electric truck may soon hit the roads. Originally announced in 2019, the Cybertruck's production timeline has seen a series of delays. But it seems we're finally on track. Elon Musk, during Tesla's earnings call in January, stated that mass production of the Cybertruck wouldn't begin until 2024. However, the first trucks were expected to roll off the production line this summer, and it appears we're right on schedule, at least according to the most recent timeline. The Cybertruck's release date has shifted from 2021 to 2022 and then to 2023. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, had initially set the base price at $39,900. But last year, he revealed that the price would be higher due to unforeseen factors like inflation. Musk mentioned that the changes in specifications and pricing were necessary because of the evolving circumstances. For those who reserved a Cybertruck for $99 back in 2019, be prepared to pay the new, higher price for this innovative vehicle. With production underway, Tesla fans are eagerly anticipating the release of the Cybertruck. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking electric truck from Tesla.